tour today.
Yes.
So enjoy our trip. Later is the. I hope it's a nice weather today. Because it looks like cloudy.
Water! Taong na po kayo! Water, water!
We are now here.
Ma'am, sunod na po kayo kay Carlo.
Sige, sige po. Thank you. We're going to the outer island.
Guys, Jose! Taong na po kayo rito! Guys, Jose! Water, water! Taong na po kayo! Guys, Jose!
We're going now. There's a lots of the boats. We are now going to the island. Now I can see in the
So, is this 70%? This is the extra large. Okay, everyone, by the way, welcome to our second stop. It is,
they're done the kids. Okay. Okay.
I did the pedal where this the wrong side. Hey. Yeah. What you're using messing, you also use messing, right? And a boat. How about go down?
One more.
Yes. Action. Yes. Now I zoom out.
thank you so much. You're the best.
What's so? Nou, je kan swim now. Hey. Yeah. Come on.
It's very slippery.
Yeah, I know. Be elegant. You're a movie.
Cannot hold.
Yeah. What's that? Goed zo. Hey.
Okay guys, we are going home na. I'm so enjoying our snorkeling today. The island hopping. They're tiring.